What's up guys? Today we are putting in my newly built rotary engine into my Mazda RX8 and we're going to start it up for the first time to see if it runs. So this here is my engine that I just built last week. As you saw, it's got new rotor housings, it's got new apex seals, new side seals, new corner seals, new bearings. It's got basically all new components except for the rotors themselves and these iron plates. So this engine, if done correctly, which I really hope I did a good job on it, should stay for quite a while and give me a running engine that at least runs for a while. But before we figure out if this engine actually works, we have to put it back in the car. So now we've gotten it all back together, we've buttoned it up, we've put all the fluids in, the trans fluid, the coolant, and the oil, and I've got it hooked up with some jumper cables to another car that will start up just to get enough battery for it. And we're gonna crank this thing over and hopefully it will start.
That's right. That's correct.
It works. Does that even sound like it's cranking it over?
It is not.
It doesn't sound like it has any compression.
Yeah.
Hey, it's been a while. 4 months to be exact. I'm back from school and we're ready to get working on this thing again. So I was right when I said it sounded like it didn't have any compression. I compression tested it later and found out that it had basically no compression, about 30 psi in the front rotor. But now that it's winter, I'm home for break. What we're gonna do, take the engine out again, take it apart again, rebuild it again, put it back in the car again, and hopefully it'll run. Obviously I'm gonna make sure that it actually has compression before I put it back in the car again, but you know, live and learn. What is the problem? I'm not entirely sure. I think it has something to do with the side seal clearances being a little bit too tight, and then that's what caused it to not spring out, but that's gonna be something that's gonna be a little bit easier to diagnose once the engine is out of the car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and next week will be an action-packed episode, so I'll see you then.